Okay, I'm just doing a real quick video here on these Greenworks electric chainsaws. These are actually pretty good tools given their low price point. Now, they're really not for like heavy use. It's for really more trimming, pruning, small saplings, that sort of thing. It's not a heavy duty tool. Um, it's not for deforesting the rainforest or anything like that. It's just a handy household kind of an item. Anyway, this one's been in service for quite a while, and what amazed me is actually really how easily these are serviceable. So this one needs a new chain, and I'm gonna tell you, don't bother buying a chain sharpener. There's no point. Don't bother. So you just remove that cover, and then this is the chain tensioner, and you slowly take tension off that chain. And first of all, you want to go get yourself a replacement chain. And this is a 10-inch model. I'm sure these are pretty universal, but you can get it from either the Greenworks website or other websites. So anyway, these things are, I gotta tell you, these are pretty well designed at the end of the day. They are very user friendly. So take your worn out old chain and replace it with the new one. Okay, when you get the new chain on it, you're going to notice that the old chain, the chain will stretch quite a bit. So as you adjust the slack, you will notice that you will actually need to back this off a bit further to get the new chain on, because the new chain will be actually a significantly tighter fit than the worn out chain you're replacing. But that's pretty much it.